Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, I'm teaching you how to design your old shirt using bleach. Here with me is my friend. He will take you through this class on how to design your old t-shirt. Maybe you have an old t-shirt that is not that okay and you want to design, you want to make it cool again so you can wear it, maybe wear it at home in your streets. Alright, join me as they take us through the class. Tommy.
Yeah, so in this video we'll be turning this old black shirt into something nice using just the bleach. And you might also need some other things, like this is actually made from cotton buds. You will just bind it together with a masking tape. Then you can also have, like, need by Horizon for you to have a pencil or something to draw with. So here I will just be scrambling her name on it, so that at the end of everything the name will come out separately and we'll have some designs on other sides of the black shirt. So starting here, I'm scrabbling the name I need on it. So what you will do is that this is the bleach. You will get it into a container so you can dip this into it. So this is it. You will make sure you get it soaked as much as possible. You make sure this cotton bud is soaked so as to soak the shirt itself. So you can go again for the second touch. This is just to bring perfection. So you can see we have something coming out, a brownish color. This is actually bringing out the name we scrambled on it. It's bringing it out. So after having it like this, so you can now decide on the kind of design you want to do. Here I'll be teaching you two designs in one. I'll be tying it in a particular part, and on the other part I'll be baking dots on it. So let's work on this one with our tie. You can see it's just a small tie. You can see this. So I'm coming to the next side too. You also give it a tie. So you can see this. So what I will do now is that I will just tie the edge a little bit again. And I'll also tie this edge too. So now you can see we've tied the four edges of this cloth. So what we are going to do is that we're going to get something sharp to make a hole. So now you can see I've made a hole on this. So you will try and press down the bleach into the knot. So now is another thing. I'm giving it another sprinkle, so it's going to give it another design on its own. So this one you press down into the knot. So I'll still give it the sprinkle, so you turn it again. So at this back we'll be having more of the sprinkles on it. It's a fast reaction. So now this is okay. So what you will do is that you now get a bucket of water and you soak it. You allow it to rest for a few minutes. That will be like 3 to 5 minutes inside the water. This is as to reduce the power of the bleach and to stop the chemical reaction. So now, after the 3 to 5 minutes, I'm revisiting the clothes. Now I'm bringing it out. And now it's time for you to remove, to loosen the knot. So now you can see what we are having. This is our name. Then you can see the folding. We have a particular knot tie designs on it. And coming to the back again, you see we have our patches dots. Then we have our designs again at the edge. So with this, you can actually do any kind of design. You can decide to fold the clothes like this from start. You can decide to fold the clothes from start.
Alright guys, so I believe you'll be able to learn one or two from this video, how to turn your old clothes, your old t-shirts into a new one that looks different, that you can wear and on the street. You can wear maybe when you need to play inside. You can just wear anywhere, but this basically is just to turn your old clothes to something new, something to a new design. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video we'll be teaching you how to do things yourself, basically how to make shoes, how to make purse, wallet, anything you can think of, how to do it yourself at home. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.